welcome to Creative Kids at Home, the Livermore Public Library's very first virtual craft time for kids. Today we'll be making shakers. These shakers will be used next week during our story time, so be sure to get them ready. I'm going to show you two different methods for creating these shakers, depending upon what materials you have available. You can use beans, rice, pebbles, or beads, anything small that will make noise inside the shaker. Crayons and markers are great for decorating, though they are optional. And to fasten it, you are going to use either some duct tape or a stapler, and of course, your toilet paper roll. Here is our first method. We will be using the stapler to fasten the ends of the toilet paper roll. However, when I found my stapler, I also found that it was empty. So I'm just going to pretend. If you have a functioning stapler at home, please feel free to use that to do this part of the craft. Now, take your toilet paper roll and pinch one end together. Then, take your stapler and staple 3 times across the end of the toilet paper roll. This will fasten the end so that you can now fill it. To fill it, grab a small handful of beans or beads, whatever you have on hand. It really doesn't matter so long as it makes noise. Fill it in, and then once this is about half full with beads or beans, you're going to fasten the other side. So pinch it closed so that the closure is perpendicular to the other side. Take your stapler, 3 more staples across the top, and that's that. You have a functional shaker. Now, if you want to have a lot of fun, please feel free to decorate it with crayons, markers, stickers, whatever you have on hand. And there you have your shaker to be used during story time next week. Moving on, let's begin the second method for fastening the end of our toilet paper roll with duct tape. Just like the first, we're going to pinch it closed and take a piece of duct tape that's just a little wider than the end of the toilet paper roll. You're going to fasten it to the end of the roll, leaving about half of the tape free. You're going to fold in the corners and then fold down the top. Once that's done, you can fill it. Take a small handful of beans and then rotate the toilet paper tube and pinch the other end closed. Take your second piece of tape and place it on the toilet paper roll just like before. You're going to fold in the corners and then fold down the top. And there you have it, a shaker ready to be decorated. So there you have it, your very own shaker to be used at story time. Thank you again for joining us for Creative Kids at Home with the Livermore Public Library. I hope to see you next week with shakers in hand for story time. Bye-bye.